10 fascinating facts about Carnival in Brazil. Welcome to the biggest party on Earth. Carnival in Brazil isn't just a festival, it's a dazzling explosion of culture, music, and unity. Millions hit the streets for one unforgettable week. But what makes it so uniquely magical? Get ready to uncover 10 jaw-dropping facts about this iconic celebration. Did you know Carnival has roots in European pre-Lent festivities? Portuguese settlers brought the tradition, which evolved into the vibrant cultural phenomenon we see today. Over the centuries, Brazil infused its own flavors, African rhythms, indigenous influence, and samba. It's a global tradition, but Brazil made it extraordinary. Samba isn't just music, it's the soul of Carnival. This Afro-Brazilian rhythm sets the streets alive with energy. Samba schools spend an entire year preparing jaw-dropping parades filled with drumlines, dancers, and elaborate floats. These aren't just performances, they're highly competitive showcases of art and pride. Rio de Janeiro's Carnival isn't just famous, it's the largest carnival celebration on the planet. Millions join the festivities annually, earning a Guinness World Record. The iconic Sambadrome parade wow tourists and locals alike with costumes, choreography, and absolute magic under the starry skies. What's Carnival without the bold, glitzy costumes? These aren't your average party outfits. Designers craft stunning, larger-than-life looks, adorned with sequins, feathers, and shimmering details. Dancers transform into living works of art, each costume telling a unique story to captivate the crowd. Think Carnival is only in Rio? Think again. In Salvador, Bahia, you'll find Afro-blocos blending drum beats with African heritage. In Recife and Olinda, giant puppets parade alongside frevo dancers spinning like whirlwinds. Carnival may have one heart, but its soul dances through every corner of Brazil. Salvador's Carnival boasts a unique twist, the Trio Elétrico, or massive sound trucks blasting music across the streets. Picture this, lively bands atop a moving stage, surrounded by a sea of dancing fans. This mobile party has turned Salvador into an unmissable carnival hotspot. What's beautiful about Carnival? It's for everyone. Families, friends, and strangers all dance together. Many children learn samba steps from parents and join blocos, street groups, full of joy. It's proof that Carnival isn't just an event, it's a communal legacy passed through generations. Surprise! Carnival might be untamed joy, but its preparation is surprisingly disciplined. Samba schools rehearse weekly for the big event, crafting everything from music to floats with military precision. When you see that perfection on parade night, remember, it took months of sweat, tears, and teamwork. Carnival isn't just a party, it's a celebration of unity. For a few days, it doesn't matter where you're from or your background. The streets become a giant embrace of humanity. It's this infectious spirit that makes Brazil's Carnival a universal symbol of joy and togetherness. There you have it, 10 reasons why Carnival in Brazil is unlike anything else on Earth. Feeling the rhythm yet? Don't just watch from afar. Add Carnival to your bucket list. Hit like, share this video with fellow culture lovers, and let's start planning your trip to Brazil. The magic awaits.